Hello everyone, I am Mohammad West and I am representing Mohammad Nawaz University Jammutan. Our project is based upon a multiplayer game that just resolve the transition problems between the player and the server. Normally, the people spend a lot of the money in the games, and later on they just realize that they just waste their money. So we had to resolve that problem. We're introducing a transition system which will be regulated through the player to player, not a player to server. So using the power blockchain, every trade will be done through the cryptocurrencies. You can invest the game and you can withdraw your fund later on without server losses as well, because every trade will have a little commission on the server as well. But whenever you do withdraw, there will be no commission fees as well. So it's better for the player as well. Okay, so let me explain the idea. Everything in this game will be stock limited. There will be limited supply of the home. There will be limited supply of the mines. There will everything will be based upon the real life. So people will need to sign up the contracts, and through that contracts they can just earn the cryptocurrencies and the local papers. In order to facilitate the services, they will just need to pay the cryptocurrency in order to get royalties. So the transition will be player to player, not the player to server. So if you are a buyer, the seller will be a local player as well, and if you are a seller, your customer will be a real player as well. So it's just a new payment system that will help us resolve the problem of spending your game for the having fun. If you have the fun, you can have it, but later on you can just withdraw your fund whenever you think that I'm leaving the game. Just refund your in-game cash. So you need to level up through the power of the cryptocurrencies, but you can withdraw your funds whenever you want. For example, if you buy a home, you can sell that and withdraw your funds as well. So it's all up to you. So even you can manipulate the cash. For example, that you bought a home from n amount of the cryptocurrencies, you can sell that home for some extra cryptocurrency based upon the market demand. So yeah, since the houses are stock limited, the early players will be able to buy it, and the newer player will not find to buy the home, and the old players can sell that home according to market demand. So it's just a pretty cool and never introduced before. So we are just resolving that. So everything will be based upon the real life. For example, that you are driving the car and your car is out of fuel, and you just go to petrol pump and just you refuel your car for some bits of the cryptocurrencies, and those cryptocurrencies will not be sent to us. They will be sent to the local contractor as well, who just made the contract with server to run his services. So for example, you're running another example that I'm introducing, that for example you're fighting as well, and to fight you need the bullets, and the bullets are made up of the explosives and the iron. So it's not you that you go to mine and mine the iron and then craft the bullets yourself, or you can buy an amount of iron from the local players for a certain cryptocurrency. Every trade will just make a little commission from the server, which will help us to meet our server requirements as well. So this all idea about spending the money on the multiplayer games, but not only spending the multiplayer, you are just investing your money. You play the game, but you are investing your money. You can just withdraw it whenever you feel like. You can even manipulate your cash as well. For example, you buy some asset and then you can manipulate that asset as well. For example, you just bought a contract about the petrol pump and you get the thousands of players who just refueled their vehicles. You will earn the cryptocurrency for which will exceed your contract amount as well. For example, you just traded I forgot that we are using the Cosmos cryptocurrency because its rate is right now too low compared to the Bitcoin and Litecoin and Ethereum. So later on, its demand will increase, and yeah, their price as well. So the people will not only earn through the market demand of the game assets, but also the market demand of the cryptocurrencies that we are using right now. So we are using the Cosmos cryptocurrencies, which is reliable cryptocurrency, and its price a bit cheaper than the Bitcoin, a lot cheaper, not bit, a lot cheaper than the Bitcoin, even the Litecoin as well. So I hope that this project will solve the problem of the gamer. The people will have fun to their cash, and then they can just withdraw their cash whenever they think that they don't want the fun as well. They're just leaving the game. They just can withdraw their funds. So this is all project, and I hope that you will understand it. And bye.